Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm actually going to be sharing with you all my Sephora VIB haul. Now, as I'm going through these products, let's just go ahead and just talk about my makeup that I have on here first. So first of all, I do have on the products that I'm going to mention in this particular video. But also keep in mind, I have been to work. I've been out in the elements all day long. And that's the reason why the makeup looks the way it looks. So it probably looks a little bit oily right now. But I do have everything on my face from the time I left out my house this morning at 7 o'clock. Right now, it's like 6:30 p.m. So that's the reason why I still have this stuff caked on my face. But anyway, I'm going to be showing you guys what I got purchased from the VIB Rouge Sephora sale that happened for spring. So if you're interested in seeing the goodies I picked up, then stay tuned. Okay guys, so I did not shop in store. I actually had my items shipped to my house. I do not like the Sephora that's in my hometown, so that's the reason why I tend to go outward when it comes to shopping and so forth. So that's the reason why I have a box, and plus it didn't have everything that I was looking for, so that was another reason why I just went ahead and decided that I was just going to shop online for the sale. Okay, so first I'm going to show you are the samples. So right now, I guess they're going to be doing the 3 times beauty points for beauty insiders at Sephora. So if you want to get perfumes and fragrances and stuff, now would be the time if you want to get triple the points. To me, points really doesn't matter that much. I have almost 7,000 points right now, maybe more, and I have not used my points on anything as of yet. So points to me really don't matter that much. So I did happen to do 2 separate orders, so they sent me actually 2 of these, and they sent me some samples as well. So I got the Benefit. This is the Boring. This is the number 2 brightening concealer. That's not going to work with my skin tone, I don't think. Then I also got the Marc Jacobs Daisy. You guys know this is like one of my favorite perfumes, so I definitely am happy with that. And I like keeping little the little trial sizes in my purse, or if I go out one evening and I want to freshen up and I have the big bottle at home, and I can just go back in and freshen up with the smaller bottle. So that's the reason why I picked that up. They also gave me the Too Faced glitter glue, so I'm definitely going to be trying this. I have been using my e.l.f. glitter glue for the longest time, and that works fine when I wear glitter or pigment. So I'm going to go ahead and try this out with the sample. And then they also gave me the Versace, this is the Bright Crystal sample as well. And I have this, and I'm really not a big fan of it, but I don't know, maybe I'll give it to someone that is. Alright, so the rest of the items that I have are items that I actually purchased from Sephora. I think with the exception of the perfume that I'm going to talk about. So the first thing that I happened to pick up was the highlighter. This is the one by Anastasia Beverly Hills and Amrezy. So I did pick this up. I don't have this particular highlighter on today. I love the way this highlighter looks, by the way. But this is the one. This is what it looks like. Comes in the compact. And guys, it is really beautiful in person. I can't, like, this doesn't even describe how beautiful it is in person and just how it looks on the skin. It is one of those just really beautiful highlights. I mean, I absolutely love it. I have worn this. I've been going back and forth with the other one that I'm going to show you guys, but as you guys can see, it's just a beautiful highlight, especially when it catches the light. So I do love this, and I definitely love the price of this. I think it was like 28 bucks, which wasn't bad for a highlighter. I thought it was going to be a lot more, but it wasn't. So I happened to pick that up. And then the next thing I picked up was another highlighter. This one is the Fenty by Rihanna. And some of the products I got, you guys, I know that they've already been out on the market for a while, but it was just things that I told you that I wasn't going to buy unless it was absolutely necessary. And I'm just, items were so overhyped last year, and I'm just like, I'm just not doing it anymore. And I said that in a video before, that I'm not going to buy into the hype and the mass hysteria and all this stuff, and running to the store and getting this and this and this, and then trying to be the first one to review the stuff on your channel. It just got old so fast, you guys, and I'm just not doing that anymore. But anyway, I happened to pick up the Fenty Beauty, and the one that I have is in Mean Money and Hustler Baby. Oh my gosh. Hustler Baby is the highlight that I have on today, you guys. It gives me just the right amount. If there was any highlighter, of all the highlighters that I own, you guys, and I have a drawer full of highlighters, Hustler Baby is like holy grail. This is a holy grail. Both of the highlighters in here are absolutely beautiful, but I think the Mean Money is just a little more like of a everyday one. You can definitely get away with wearing that one like every day. It's not over the top. It's kind of like a lit from within kind of a look. And Hustler Baby is what I have on my face today, guys. And it just, to me, it's perfect. This is what you want your highlight to look like. This is what I want to look like this summer. I just want that highlight where you can just be like, bam, bam. You know, so this will definitely be one that I definitely plan on using and repurchasing. Because like I said, I do believe this is like holy grail for me. And the color just goes so well with my skin tone. That's another reason why I'm just in love with this particular highlighter. The next thing I happened to purchase was a repurchase. This is my Laneige, and this is the Water Bank Moisture Cream. Guys, I love this. This works so well if you have dry skin. Even if you have normal skin, I would definitely give this a try. This is so moisturizing, and I also use the water sleep masks as well. Guys, these two products together are amazing, but I definitely had to repurchase the moisture cream. I just ran out of my moisture cream, and luckily the sale came up. So I want to say it lasted me probably about 3 or 6 months, because I hadn't purchased any more since the last VIB sale that they had. So it lasts quite a while, you guys, and it's definitely worth the price. I want to say it's around maybe $25 to $35. I think it's $35. But guys, this moisturizer is just so worth it. So I highly, highly recommend, if you are looking for a really good moisturizer, that you highly think about getting this one. This is a really good moisturizer. It does have a little bit of a smell to it, you guys, but it's not overpowering. It's one of those clean, nice, fresh fragrances. Okay, so the next thing I picked up is an eyeliner. I actually, this again, another repurchase. This is the Kat Von D. This is the excuse me. This is the Tattoo eyeliner, and I got it in the color Trooper Black, you guys. Again, another repurchase. I have it on today. For some reason, I don't know, I hadn't been using a liner. And by me not using a liner, I just, once I put my makeup on and I started using the liner again, you guys, it just gave me that line, that beautiful cat eye, and I was just like, this is what I've been missing. Liner takes your makeup to the next level. If you don't have liner, it's just like not having mascara. It's like having a complete face without mascara. So you definitely need to purchase liner, you guys. I happen to love the Tattoo liner by Kat Von D. Again, that was another repurchase, and guys, I've been loving it. It just, even though this look is really plain, all I have on really with this is just some of my bronzer, and I just put that basically it's deeper in the crease, and just a light wash of it on the lids. And it still looks like you're put together, you guys. So Tattoo eyeliner is definitely a must. Then the next thing I have is actually, the next couple of items that I have here are from Huda Beauty. I know she came out a while ago. Probably over 6 months now, I'm thinking, that she came out with her foundation. That's actually the foundation that I have on my face today. I happened to pick up 3 of these. I'm only going to be showing you 2 in this particular video. And the reason why I picked up 3 foundations is because I wasn't really sure about my shade and my range. And this is the one I have on today. Is 410 in Brown Sugar, you guys. But I really do like this foundation. Now, I will say this about the foundation. This is not a foundation that everyone is going to gravitate to, especially if you have dry skin. That's another reason why I use the Laneige, the Water Bank Moisturizer, because I'm the type of person, I like for my foundations to look dewy. Now keep in mind, this is more of a full coverage, kind of a matte to powder foundation. So once it dries on the face, it does look a little bit powdery, and that's when I tend to go in with my MAC Fix Plus to kind of bring life back into my face. But like I was saying to you guys earlier, this has been over 6 hours aware that I've had this makeup on, and it still looks good. The makeup still looks good. I'm going to take a mirror here and kind of look at it. It really hasn't broken down anywhere except for like around the nose area, like right through here. But other than that, and I've been eating today, so I don't have any lipstick on anymore. But that's really the only area where the makeup has broken down. Now, I will say it will gravitate towards fine lines and wrinkles. I noticed that I have like a little bit of a wrinkle right here, and the foundation does go into that. However, I did use a primer with it as well. I've been using the Fenty Beauty primer with it as well. So that helps keep it a little bit matte. And as you guys know, that primer kind of primed your face for the Fenty Beauty again, which was another kind of a thicker foundation. I do like the Huda Beauty foundations though, you guys, on the days that you want to wear more of a full coverage. It just really gives you a nice overall look. You really don't need to do a lot with it. I love the sleek packaging that it's in, kind of plastic. I do like that. And then I love the fact that it has a pump. I think that's a really big thing, because if you look at NARS and some other foundations, they don't have that pump. I think they're starting to come out with pumps now. But if you're old school, then you kind of know the foundations used to not have the pump. So I picked up, like I said, 3 different shades. So I kind of went with 410G is what they suggested for me on the Sephora website. I really wasn't sure when I looked at it, so I was just like, okay, what's the next color? So I was thinking I was more of a gingerbread. Gingerbread will work really well with me, I think, during the summer. This one is a lot lighter. The one that I'm in now, the 410 brown sugar, is a lot lighter than the gingerbread, which is neutral. Are both of these neutral? This is golden, so the 410 is actually golden, and this one is more of a neutral. So they'll balance each other out, I think, during the summer, and I'll definitely be going into the 430. The next thing that I also picked up from Huda Beauty was the lip contour set, you guys. I am so glad I picked this up. The colors in here are absolutely beautiful. So you actually get a lip pencil, and then you get 2 of the matte liquid lipsticks, you guys. These are amazing. The colors are really beautiful. They just make any look that you have pop. So the other morning when I was getting dressed, I actually didn't realize that I had a dramatic eye look, and I went to put on the lipstick, and guys, when I put on the lipstick just took all the color away. The main focus was definitely on the lips, so much so I had to actually come back in my room and take the lipsticks off. But guys, I absolutely love this. Again, you do get a lip pencil, and you also get the 2 lip shades. The lip shades that they come in are Spice Girl, and the other one that it comes in is Venus, you guys. And they are absolutely beautiful. I highly, highly, highly recommend picking up this lip kit, you guys. Especially if you're someone that you've been interested in the Kylie K Cosmetics or any other kind of lip kits. I would definitely give this one a try. And just kind of see overall how you like it. But I like it. It tends to last a long time. I wore it yesterday again. I went to work. And while I was at work yesterday, I noticed that even after I ate and I drank and everything else, the lipstick was still there. It was light, but it was still there. So I would definitely say this is a really, really, really good product. It's something to look into getting. And last but not least, you guys, is my last item that I happened to purchase. And I did not purchase this from Sephora. As you guys know, or you may not know, but Macy's is actually doing their friends and family sale right now, which I think is like 30% off, and it's normal fragrances that you wouldn't get a percentage off of. But I did happen to go ahead and pick up the Tom Ford, and this is the Eau de Soleil Blanc perfume. Guys, this smells absolutely amazing. This is definitely going to be my summer scent. If you know me, then this scent is... it's me. It's just me all over. So this is what I've been rocking this week as for perfume. I'm probably going to go through the bottle pretty quick. Hopefully it won't be too quick, but guys, I really do like this fragrance. So there you guys have it. Hopefully the video wasn't too long. If you have any questions on any of the products that I did purchase from the Sephora VIB sale, definitely make sure to leave a comment down below or shoot me a message or something like that, and I will get back in contact with you. If you would like to see a review on any of the products that I also showcased today, definitely let me know that as well. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you're new, welcome, and if you're an oldie, then welcome back, and I will see you guys in the very next video. Bye.